Okay, so today what we're looking at is chapter 5.1, the settlement of a territory. In this first section, we're looking at pioneers. Our essential question was, our EQ, our essential question, how did settlers move around in the Alabama territory? That's what we need to be able to answer after we get finished studying this section. Okay, so one of the things that the pioneers looked for was they looked for good land, good climate, and navigable rivers. That's what attracted them to Alabama. Navigable just means were they able to move around on the rivers? Were they put yourself on a boat at Lake Wedowee? You're navigating around Lake Wedowee. That means you're turning right or left. You're going straight. You're turning around. It means north, east, south, west. The direction. Is it easy to move around? Is it navigable? All right. So most of the settlers were from Virginia, Carolina, the Carolinas, and Georgia, and they were traveling on paths made by the Indians or the soldiers. And then there were the pioneer roads. The pioneer roads is Old Federal Road. And so this is what Old Federal Road looked like back when the pioneers were traveling through. This was Old Federal Road right here. You can see me going over. And this is Old Federal Road also. But this map right here is a map of the state of Alabama. It's just kind of like the lower southeastern part of Alabama. You can see this is Montgomery, our capital. And Randolph County is somewhere back up here. So it would not have Old Federal Road would not have run through Randolph County. And then right here, so the main roads were Old Federal Road, and then you've got Natchez, Natchez Trace. They were the first real roads in Alabama, and Natchez Trace was only in. So this is Mississippi, this is Alabama. So Natchez Trace only ran through the very tip top northwestern part of Alabama. And you can see that right there. Okay. So the settlers had to travel in groups for protection. Keep in mind the roads were rough. To kind of give you a visual, I've got a video that I want to show you over here in just a minute. But think about the settlers. They were coming through, they were having to pull their own carts with all their belongings. And then some of the wealthier settlers, well, they had their own horses or oxen and oxen that could pull the wagons. Some of the roads were just paths, and well traveled roads might have a tavern, a fort, a food stand along the way, but keep in mind how high the prices were. Okay, now over here, I added some more links. This is a link that you can copy and paste if you want to go take a look on YouTube. Here is another as well. However, this link right here is just going to take you to the one of the pages that's connected to this. This is how the Kaintucks, like how they moved around, how they lived, how they moved in and out from place to place in between the territories. And it is actually still, you can go visit it now. I'm not sure if this is going to be loud enough. So what I'll do is I will post a link to the Kaintucks on the old trace. I'll post that in the assignment below. Okay.